Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to our CLD channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to create Viber account on your phone. So you can do this in a couple of steps. It is not that hard. Firstly, open the application Viber and then you put your respective country code. Say I am activating my Viber from Nepal, so my country code is 977. You can put your own respective country code and then you put your phone number here. After that, you continue. It will ask you to give a call and you press yes. After that, this will, give you a call and then you don't have to receive it or decline it as it says, and it will be automatically detected. Then you can put whatever name you have or any name. So I will put Elias for now. And also enter your birth of date as it is very important. And after you are done, you click this button here. And after some times, you are done. Thank you. That is how you create a Viber account in your phone.